So really I just started somewhere here. I figured since I was a little bit focused on that paperless piecing that I might just go ahead and work on something similar that was just stretched out of shape so that the pieces wouldn't be square, because I thought that that would be a nice way to start. And I actually drew a little border around it before I cut it out and just made it a little bit larger, because I realized that those corner pieces were going to be just maybe just a little bit too small. You know, when you don't have square shapes or shapes that are even on all sides, it's also more difficult really to pay attention to all of them and make sure that the pieces don't get turned around so that you don't iron them the wrong way so they don't fit. So there's a lot of concentration when it comes to this kind of thing. I've done it before with other things, more complex designs, but I've never actually just stretched the square out of shape like this. It's just a very simple way to kind of soften it, really, make it more organic. So I cut each one out and then just marked the ones that needed to be black, just to keep track. Because as simple as it seems, it's, you know, it's very easy to lose your way. And, you know, well, this is probably the most tedious way to do a patchwork, but it is a way to, if you want to take the time, to really make some actually quite unique and complex patched shapes. I've actually, even in some cases, should try to go find those that just actually drew a whole piece, sketched it out, and then just cut each individual piece out one by one and pieced it together. You can really take it quite far. But the piece itself now, just the core stretched out 9-patch, is already very leaf-like. I don't think I'm going to attempt to add the details until I actually put it on a base. And I figure that I'll probably applique or collage in some way the extra points there according to my original drawing. But it really doesn't fit right in there. And yeah, it's a good start to think about just, in general, actually stretching tradition a little bit. It's a nice illustration of that, actually. I'm thinking in my head of just taking the square or the traditional 9-patch and simply pulling it out of shape. It's nice, metaphorically, I think.